Alright guys, check this out. What I have here is a sparkling water. It's called Aha, and this is their watermelon and lime flavored. So I did a review of this brand of sparkling water, which was peach and honey. I thought it was alright. It didn't really have a lot of peach flavor or anything like that. But this one, I'm kind of curious about it. Basically, it's carbonated water, natural flavor. There's a nutrient panel there. Let's do a quick taste test. Now, I've tried a lot of sparkling waters. You guys can watch my previous videos if you guys want to see them. But let me try this one. Oh, okay. So, this one has a nice aroma to it. I have to admit, this one's probably their best one. Their peach and honey one wasn't that good. This one has a nice watermelon aroma. Subtle, very subtle lime. But it even almost tastes like, there's no sweetness to it, but it tastes kind of sweet. It's cool. So this one's pretty neat. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.